So today's agenda is to talk about set, and we will see the examples also. We'll talk about what is set, what is the syntax of it, how to use it, right? What are different functions available for set, right? These note we have taken for list part, right? But in the context of set, we will update this 4 lines. Don't worry. Okay? But the idea is same. Idea is same. If you want to uh, have a collection of values, right? Which you want to add like this, like in array, you are doing it like this, right? In array, you put it like one by one, correct? And in the list also, you do it like this. What's how set works is it's a mathematics set. If you have learned in your academics, we learned it like maybe in our school there was set in mathematics. Okay, set is the collection of unique numbers. We saw it that time, right? In academic, it's same here. Set is the collection of unique items. That's it. But yeah, technically there is a hierarchy that it is a collection. So collection, there are interfaces available, right? So I'm not going into that part as of now, because once we will cover interface part, then I'll come back to, this part. Okay. But hash chat is part of your Java util package, right? And same thing, you did it for what we say, you did it for list, right? Same thing you can do for set also. Okay, so if I copy this and let's create a new program, hold on, let's create a new class, set demo1. I'll create a main function also. Okay, so what is the syntax? There is a good thing when you are working with any ID, it will tell you the syntax also. Once you write set and then you hit enter, it will tell you that, the definition part. So what I have entered, control space. I wrote SET and then control space. So this will give me, okay, this is a part of Java util package. It's a collection that contains no duplicate elements. More formally, set contains no pair of element even in E2 such that even is equal to E2 and at most one null element as implied by its name. This interface models the mathematical set abstraction, right? It's same as how we have learned in maths. Okay. Okay, once I do it, see here it's saying me that you have to mention what kind of element it is, but I'm not mentioning it as of now. I will just say same example. We'll again make shopping list. We did it for, I'm giving the name as list, right? But that doesn't mean that it is a list. Okay, in general we say, okay, let's make a list of shopping thing, right? Shopping items. So just to not have a confusion, let me not use list word. Let's do it shopping items. Okay. Otherwise, there will be confusion. You are saying set, but you are giving the name as list, right? Is equals to new. Can I write set here? No, it's not saying that. You cannot again say set. Okay. Can I do it? It's saying, okay, do it. But then it's like you are implementing the whole interface again, right? So this is not the right way. When you are using set, you have to use it through some class. Hash set. here you have to mention that I want to make set of, let's do it today through with integer, right? Last time we did all the, okay, because shopping items are there. So as of now, keep it a string, but we'll take another example where we will do it for numbers also. Okay, no problem. Shopping items. Done. This is the syntax. You are saying you want a set of the string. The name of that set is this, and it's a type of hash set. Now you may be asking what is hash and all. So there is a hashing mechanism to store the values, okay, which is a bit what we say utilizes the memory in efficient way. Um, Maybe for the storing and retrieval also it's good. I am not going into technical part of it. I want you guys to research about what is said, uh, how it is efficient or not, and all those things. But here there are some points about it. Java set interface is a member of Java collection framework. Fine. So there is a Java collections framework. The whole framework is there, which provides you different type of data structure. If somebody asks you what is Java collection framework, right? You should say that to store the values or to retrieve it, update it, we need some kind of data structure. So Java collection framework enables us to use different kind of interfaces. Okay. Unlike list, set does not allow you to add duplicate items or elements. Going back to set doesn't allow duplicate values. Fine. Set allows you to add at most one null element only. That means, again, set is also sequence of added item, but there is a catch here. You cannot write sequence. Set is just collection. I'll tell you why, okay, in a minute. Collection of added item. Set does not allow duplicate item. It works with index or it preserves the order. That's not true. I'm deleting this line as of now. But I'm adding one thing here, that you can have null value is possible, right? Only one null value. We'll try this. Only one null value is possible to add. Now you may be asking, what is null? Null means nothing. Null is something which you don't know what it is as of now, and you want to keep it like an, instead of putting some empty value, you're saying it's null. Okay. And it is dynamic in add, update, delete, search. Yes, with the list and set, it's possible that you can add values, update values, delete something, search something. In that sense, both are good. But interview question will be, for the adding, which is more efficient, list or set? For the updating a value, which is good, list or set? For deleting, which is good? For searching, which is good? The thing is, all things are possible, but interviewer will ask you how efficient list is to update. When we say efficient, it's more of time complexity. They ask, okay, if a list will take, let's say, 100 seconds to update a 10,000, 10,000 values are there in a list, and you want to update all 10,000 values. So in list, if you do the same thing, and in set, if you do the same thing, who will take more time, right? Which one will take more time? It's like this kind of questions are there. But today's, it's not the agenda. to talk about the timing part, we want to see how set works. Okay, going back, set interface got one default method in Java, splitrator. So there is one more, default method is there. We'll see whether we are using it or not. Unlike list and arrays, set does not support indexes and position. Okay. So that's why I deleted that part. It's not like list. It's different. Okay, it's different. Set does not support indexes. Means while you are storing it, it's not like that you will get it through 0th position, first position, third position. No, no, no. It's not like that. Then how to get the value? That also we will see. Okay. Set supports generics and we should use it whenever possible. Using generics with set will avoid class cast exception at runtime. Something technical here. We'll learn about generics maybe after 5 to 6 sessions. Then you will get to know what it is. We can use set interface implementation to maintain unique elements. Yes, that's fine. That's it. But then let's use it. So this is the syntax. We have already talked about how to add the values. Okay, I want to add, just a minute, shopping items, same function, dot add. In list also you had the same thing. In set also you have the same function. Add means keep on adding the values. Okay, what we want to add? We added something yesterday, right? Same thing we will add. So that we'll get to know that what is the difference. Fruit, watch, and then let's print it. So we want to add fruit. Fruit. And we want to add, what is the next one? Watch. Okay. Watch. And then let's print this set. Though this is not the right way. This is not the right way to print the set. Okay. Because you are printing a kind of, reference, but it's fine. It's fine. It will show you something. It's showing me watch and fruit. Now, you may be thinking, we added fruit first and then watch, but it is showing me watch first and then fruit. So it's not like that the value which you added last will show you first. It's not like that. Okay, let's understand. It's random. It's very random. So next time when you will print, maybe fruit will come first and watch will come next. Right? It's possible. So let's keep on adding the values. Let's keep on adding the values. Tea, salt, toy, chocolate mug. So wait. I'll just copy this line, so that we do the same thing again and again. We don't want to waste our time to write those things. So tea, salt, tea, salt, chocolate mug, something like that. Tea, salt, toy, chocolate mug. Okay, toy. And the last one is mug. Okay, M-U-G. Done. Let's print it again so that we'll get to know what is happening actually. Means I have added all this, 7 values. What will happen then? Okay, let's print it. And this time, if you will observe, tea, salt, watch. So tea was there at 3rd position, but it's showing me now. Then salt, then watch, then fruit, then mug, then toy. So this is random. It is showing me all the values, but it is not preserving the order on how you added it. It's not like list. In shopping list, what you do, you generally put the things in the next line, okay? Or to-do list. How you create to-do list? You create something in the next line, you say, okay, I will do this thing. In next line, you do this thing. So it's in order. So anybody who will ask, what is there at third place for your to-do list today? Or what is there at third place for your shopping list? You will be able to tell them, correct? But in set, it's not like that. Once you add the set, and if I'll ask without printing it, that what is there at the third place for your set of shopping items? So you will not be able to say that it's tea or it's salt. Okay, it's different. Understand it. I'll show you a picture. You will be able to understand what I'm saying. So set is this. Where was that picture? Sets this one. Set is this. You put the things in a particular, let's say, circle, right? It's a limited that you want to put 3, 3, 6, and 9. Let's say 9 items. But if I'll ask you what is the third item, so you will not be able to tell me what is the third item here, or the fifth item, or the first item. It's like anything, anywhere it can start. Okay. Fine. Because memory, the the memory is allocated in such way. So for example, when you added fruit, it's not like that this is the first place. It's like somewhere in memory, in a simple what we say heap, it is allocated, and then watch is allocated somewhere. Yes, though both are interrelated. You cannot say that both are not interrelated. They are interrelated in some kind of hashing mechanism. Okay, I don't want to go into computer science part of it, or there is a particular chapter about how hashing works in academic, right? But I will encourage you to to read about it, like what is hashing, how the memory is allocated when we are working with the set. It's like this. Do it. Fine. Now the question is, will it allow the duplicate thing? So let's do it. I will add fruit again. I will add fruit again. So fruit should be added twice. Let's see whether this is possible or not. So what I'm saying is, I have added fruit again and then again printing it. So what will happen? Fruit will come 2 times? See the last output. Tea, salt, watch, fruit, mug, toy, then chocolate. But there is no fruit twice. Just one time the fruit is there. That means even if you are adding the fruit right here, it is checking whether fruit is already there in this list. If the fruit is already there, right, it will not, what we'll say, have duplicate value. It's like this. Okay, fine. What other things we want to do? So let's see the functions here in the next part.